Flourless bread rolls ideal for everyone who loves bread and wants to lose weight. We all know that bread is really important for many people in many different cuisines, and some people can't eat their meals without bread. Some people say that bread is the ideal addition to almost any food. But we all know that the biggest problem with bread is its high carb content, which can help you gain weight. Fortunately, there is an easy way to enjoy a delicious bread recipe without thinking about the carb content. So if you want to enjoy a delicious sandwich without feeling guilty, you are in the right place. In this video we are going to show you how to make the best flourless bread rolls recipe. Note, this recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 3 eggs, 100 grams of cream cheese, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, baking paper. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to beat the egg whites with some salt in a bowl and mix the yolks, cream cheese, and baking powder in another bowl. Then you need to combine both mixtures by slowly mixing in order to keep the volume. When you are done with it, you need to spread the baking paper in a pan and put the bread rolls on it, leaving enough room in between. You need to bake your bread in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for 25 minutes. Useful tips. You shouldn't be worried about the shape of the rolls, because after they cool down, you can store them in a plastic container and leave them closed overnight. In the morning they will completely change their shape and start resembling bread. You will notice that these flourless bread rolls are very soft, which makes them a good option for sandwiches and gravy. You can do this: just slice one of the rolls in half, then fill it up with chicken breast, mozzarella, and fresh vegetables for a healthy and delicious sandwich. You can eat the bread rolls for desserts with sweet spreads as well. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.